Step 1. Locate your home's air handlers. Turn off power via shutoff switch or breaker panel. Step 2. Remove main panel and locate the colored thermostat wiring connections. Take a picture of the wiring in case you need it for later. Step 3. Remove the existing wire nuts and separate the wires. Step 4. Add the Ecostella red, white, and brown to the existing connections as shown. Step 5. Connect the Ecostella green wire to the thicker green terminal wire and the Ecostella gray wire to the thinner green thermostat wire. Connect the Ecostella purple wire to the thicker yellow terminal wire and the Ecostella yellow wire to the thinner yellow terminal wire. Step 6. Replace panel on air handler and turn the power back on. Now enjoy up to $300 a year in energy savings with your Ecostella.